Welcome to Manchester English Academy, Bangladesh. In today's lesson, we will learn about daily English conversations. Let's get started. Scene 1. Greeting and small talk. Characters: Ali and Sarah. Setting: at a park.
Ali, hi Sarah, how are you?
Sarah, hi Ollie, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Ali, I'm doing well, thank you. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Sarah, yes, it is. The weather is perfect for a walk in the park.
Ali, absolutely. Have you been up to anything interesting lately?
Sarah, not much, just busy with work. How about you?
Ali, same here, just trying to stay productive.
Scene 2. At a cafe. Characters: Ali and Sarah. Setting: at a cafe.
Waiter, good afternoon. What can I get for you today?
Ali, I'll have a cappuccino, please.
Sarah, and I'll have an iced latte.
Waiter, sure. Anything to eat?
Ali, no, thank you.
Sarah, I'm good, thanks.
Waiter, all right, your drinks will be ready shortly.
Ali, so, Sarah, how's work going?
Sarah, it's been pretty busy, but I'm managing. How about yours?
Ali, same here. Lots of deadlines, but I can't complain.
Scene 3. Asking for directions. Characters: Ali and a stranger. Setting: on the street.
Ali, excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the nearest pharmacy.
Stranger. Sure. It's just down the street. Turn right at the next intersection, and you'll see it on your left.
Ali, thank you so much.
Stranger, you're welcome. Have a good day.
Ali, you too.
Scene 4. Shopping. Characters: Ali and store clerk. Setting: in a store.
Store clerk, hi there. How can I help you today?
Ali, hi, I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend. Do you have any suggestions?
Store clerk, sure. We have a great selection of perfumes and watches. What does your friend like?
Ali, she loves perfumes. Can you recommend a popular one?
Store clerk, certainly. This one is very popular and has a lovely fragrance.
Ali, great. I'll take it.
Store clerk, excellent choice. I'll wrap it up for you.
Ali, thank you.
Scene 5. At the doctor's office. Characters: Ali and Doctor. Setting: at a clinic.
Doctor, good morning. Ollie, how can I help you today?
Ali, good morning, doctor. I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately.
Doctor, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your symptoms?
Ollie, I've had a sore throat and a slight fever for the past 2 days.
Doctor, I see. Let's check your temperature and take a look at your throat.
Ollie, sure.
Doctor, it looks like you have a mild throat infection. I'll prescribe some antibiotics. Make sure to rest and drink plenty of fluids.
Ollie, thank you, doctor.
Doctor, you're welcome. Get well soon.
Scene 6. Making a reservation. Characters: Ali and restaurant host. Setting: on the phone.
Host. Good evening, La Bella Restaurant. How can I assist you?
Ollie, hi. I'd like to make a reservation for dinner tomorrow night.
Host. Certainly. How many people will be in your party?
Ollie, it'll be for 4 people.
Host. What time would you like to come in?
Ollie, around PM, please.
Host. Your reservation is confirmed for 4 people at PM tomorrow. May I have your name?
Ollie, it's Ollie.
Host. Thank you, Ollie. We'll see you tomorrow evening.
Ollie, thank you. Have a good night.
Host. You too.
Scene 7. Saying goodbye. Characters: Ali and Sarah. Setting: outside Sarah's house.
Ollie, it was great catching up with you today, Sarah.
Sarah. Yes, it was. We should do this more often.
Ollie, definitely. Take care and see you soon.
Sarah. You too. Ollie. Bye.
Ollie, bye.
Thank you for watching this daily English conversation video from Manchester English Academy, Bangladesh. We hope you found these dialogues helpful for your everyday English practice. Please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. See you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and bye-bye.